Highs in the mid-80s. West winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
Alright guys,
Chance of
I'm
rain
going to record the
30%.
required weekly
Tonight,
test today.
Mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the lower 60s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
I have all my weather radios, and I have I recently
30%.
purchased this
Thursday,
Radio Shack
sunny.
12
Highs around 80.
259.
Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 60. Northeast winds around 5 miles per hour.
I purchased the Radio Shack 12 521.
Highs in the lower 80s. North winds 5
The
to
tests
10
always
miles
happen
per
here
hour.
around
Friday night,
11:20.
mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. At 11 a.m., weather reports for selected cities. At Cleveland Hopkins Airport, it was partly sunny.
So I'm going to wait for the test.
80 degrees, the dew point 65, and the relative humidity 59%.
I feel like crap right now because I had surgery yesterday on my throat and ears.
29.99 inches and rising. Elsewhere across Ohio, at Columbus, it was sunny with a temperature of 86. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 85 at Mansfield, 81 at Akron-Canton Airport, and 84 at Dayton. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 84 at Lorain, 82 at Toledo, 81 at Youngstown, 83 at Cincinnati, and 79 at Ashtabula. At Burke Lakefront, it was cloudy with a temperature of 78. Reports from nearby cities outside Ohio. Skies ranged from mostly sunny to partly sunny, and temperatures were between 78 and 83 degrees.
This is NOAA weather rated KHB 59 originating from National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. Supplies latest available information for Northeast Ohio over station KHB 59 from Chetland on a frequency of 162.550 MHz.
On the latest weather map, an area of high pressure was centered over West Virginia with a cold front over the northern Great Lakes. The high shift. This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the KHB 59 listening area of Northeast Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. On the latest weather map, an area of high pressure was centered over West Virginia with a cold front over the northern Great Lakes.